In this video, we are going to look at converting minutes into decimal hours. Key fact that we must remember when doing this work is that 60 minutes is equal to 1 hour. Lots of people forget that when they think of decimal time. Do not be one of those people. My turn. What is 6 minutes in hours? So, using our 60 minutes in an hour fact, it is useful to express this as a fraction to begin with. So we have 6 minutes out of the 60 there are in total. This line, remember, means divide. If we pop that onto a calculator, it is quite likely we will end up with 1 out of 10 if we are using a scientific calculator. Now we want it to be a decimal time, so we would press our SD button on the calculator and that would give us 0.1 hours. You may be asked to do this as a written method as well, so be prepared to look over your simplifying fractions if you need to. Your turn. What is 3 minutes in hours? Please press pause while you try that question. So to begin with, we have 3 out of 60. We know that this line means divide. That means we have 3 divided by 60. That would show up as 1 out of 20 possibly on your calculator, which would then be changed to a decimal as 0.05 hours. Now the next my turn question involves hours and minutes. We would express this as a mixed fraction to begin with. So what is 1 hour and 12 minutes in hours would be 1 hour and 12 out of the 60. This one would be our value before the decimal place when we converted this to a decimal. So we'd have 1 point something. The 12 divided by 60 would be done in the same way as we would above, and that gives us an answer of 0.2. So altogether, you would have 1.2 hours. Press pause while you try the next question. So the 2 would be our big number for the 2 hours, and we have 3 out of 60 minutes. We know that this line means divide, and the 2 would be at the front of our decimal place. 3 divided by 60 on a calculator would give us 0.05, and that is hours.